Good morning, my dear students. Today we are learning Political Science chapter Constitutional Design. In the previous video, we have discussed about constitutions, what is the importance of constitution. Now we'll discuss about the path to constitution. In 1928, Motilal Nehru and 8 other Congress leaders drafted Constitution for India. In 1931, at Karachi session of Indian National Congress, a resolution was passed on how independent India's constitution should look like, and along with the following features: universal adult franchise, right to freedom and equality, to protecting the rights of minorities. Except that many educated Indians were familiarized with the political and legislative institutions during the colonial period. Years of thinking and deliberation on the framework of the Constitution had another benefit. Now we'll discuss about the leaders who were inspired by the other countries' idols. And that's why, due to this reason, sometimes we call Indian constitution is a bag of borrowings. And the ideals were the ideals of French Revolution, the Socialist Revolution in Russia, the practice of parliamentary democracy of Britain, the Bill of Rights in US, but they did not simply imitate these principles. And after that, we will discuss about the Constituent Assembly. The Constituent Assembly represented the people of India. There was no universal adult franchise at the time, so the Constituent Assembly could not have been chosen directly by all the people of India. It was elected mainly by the members of existing provincial legislature. This ensured a fair geographical share of members from all the regions of the country. The drafting of the constitution was done by an assembly of elected representatives, which was having 299 members. That is called Constituent Assembly. And they were keeping the different points in mind. Number one, universal adult franchise, the right to freedom, equality, and to protecting the rights of minority. The assembly was basically dominated by the Indian National Congress. It has many non-Congress members too. The constitution does not reflect the views of its members alone, it expresses the aspiration of the people also. Elections to the Constitution. Elections to the Constituent Assembly were held in July 1946 and its first meeting in December 1946, when India got independence and divided into India and Pakistan. The Constituent Assembly was also divided into two parts: Indian Constituent Assembly and the Pakistan Constituent Assembly. A drafting committee chaired by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar prepared a draft constitution for discussion. It was discussed clause by clause through several rounds of discussion. The Assembly adopted the Constitution on 26 November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950. There was a reason behind this. When our Constitution was prepared on 26 November, why it was implemented on 26 January 1950? Because 26 January was a red letter day in Indian history, and since 1930 India celebrated its Independence Day on this day. When we got independence on 15th August, to give honor on this day, we have implemented our constitution on 26 January 1950. Thank you.